there's a lot of common sense stuff when it comes to follower count. We used to say 4 quarters is better than 100 pennies on social media. So it's like I'd rather have 4 really qualified people, like if I'm in insurance, that can actually drive business than 100 just people who like the look of the page or whatever it might be.
That, yeah.
And there's stuff you can do right on Insights. Like if you're a local coffee shop, it's great to have 1 million followers. That's cool. But if 95% of them are outside of the country or in a different state across the country, it's like, what good does that, is that really going to be driving business?
Right.
If, you know, it doesn't always hurt, but like Ashley said, if they don't engage with it, if they don't interact with it, it doesn't really do you all that good. So keep in mind, like you can look at your insights and say, okay, my coffee shop's in North Kingstown, Rhode Island, but all of my followers are from LA or Cal or whatever, scattered all over the place. It's like, okay, well, how can I use what I have now and leverage that locally to get more local followers?